Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get iOS 17.4 emojis on the Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to go to your Google Play Store and you have to install this application, Z Phone 3 application. And after you have installed this application, you can open this application. Okay, and I'm going to click on agree. Okay, and after that, I'm going to go to the setting and I'm going to show the emoji name first. And we're going to go back to home and then go to the emoji fonts. Okay, and this is the iOS 17.4 emojis. And we have to download this emoji. To apply this emoji to our Samsung Galaxy phone, just tap on download. And you need to wait until the downloading process completed. Okay, and after the emoji has been downloaded, you can click on apply and you have to select auto, right? And I'm going to click on OK and click on build. Okay, and before you apply the emoji to your Samsung Galaxy phone, you need to follow the steps. First step, you need to install the Samsung Sans font. You just need to click on the first step and then I'm going to click on install Z file manager. Okay, I'm going to go to the Play Store and then install this application. Okay, and we can go back to this tab. And the second one, we have to change font style to Samsung Sans. Okay, and I'm going to select download font. And I'm going to install the Samsung Sans. Okay, and now my font style has changed to Samsung Sans, and I'm just going to go back to the third step. I'm going to click on this third step. Okay, and this third step is done. I have signed in with my Samsung account, and then I'm going to go to the fourth step, backup data, and go to backup, and we can choose setting only and click on backup now. Alright, and we can go to the fifth step, uninstall Samsung Sans. Okay, and move to the next step, how to change. We can install the iOS 17.4. Click on it, and we're gonna go to the setting. We're going to allow permission. Okay, and move to the next tab, change font style to default. Select default. And then we're going to restore data. Settings only. Go to restore and click on your device. And I'm going to click on restore. Okay, and after that, you have to read the note. If not changed after restarting completed, restart your phone. And I recommend you to restart your phone. And after that, the emoji will be applied to your Samsung Galaxy phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can get iOS 17.4 emojis on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.